Thousands of you asked for it, so here you go. An all-stainless version of our In-Dexable combination square. We're machining the head from a solid billet of stainless steel and using 3 different finishing processes, so the square looks as good as it works. Woodpeckers elevated the common combination square a few years ago with our In-Dexable system, introducing innovative features like our patented scribing guides that work with any marking device and can index from any full inch mark on the blade, and the retractable support that keeps the square in place on the edge of your stock, then disappears when you need to use the full edge. Now you can get those same features in the all-stainless 2025 In-Dexable combination square. We mention the year in the name because we're only offering this special edition tool on an annual made-to-order basis. We'll accept orders through December 29th and then build just enough to fill the orders. Each square comes with a wall-mountable racket to keep your square right in plain sight and always ready for work. And the date of manufacture is machine engraved in the head. It will be late in 2026 before this square is available again. Don't kick yourself for 11 months because you missed the deadline. Order your all-stainless 2025 In-Dexable combination square today.